Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this video I will show you how to repair any phones if full short and you did not find couldn't find easy solution how to repair your phones full shorted, not charging, no power. This video is method 1. I have uploading soon next video method 2. 3 video I will share you can, if you are following step by step, I hope you can fix any phone whose phone motherboard is going short. First, look there, shorted, battery positive, full shorted. Okay, now I will open this phone and check again while the motherboard full section where is the fault going short. I have a advanced knowledge about how to repair if full shorted any board, any phones, how to repair easy, finding the solution, finding the short. I connect the power supply, DC power supply machine. If you make a DC power supply voltage 5 volt or 4 volt, the DC power supply machine going short always notify sound like a short. Okay, after connect DC power supply, not going hot inside the any IC or components. If going short, we can identify easy and we can replace these components or IC. After not you could not find where component which IC is going short or hot, it's difficult to fix it. I'm looking for capacitor, which capacitor going short. All BCC going short. This short is hard to identify which section or which IC are shorted. Okay, now I will show you finally how you know about the short and find easy. Make first power supply machine 2 or 2.5 volt. After connect power supply, I feeling little hot inside motherboard, heating inside. This area, this section are going hot, little bit hot, but not too much. This method I will show you is method 1. I hope this advanced knowledge you can fix it many device and you can identify where going short easy. First, need to rezone and soldering iron. make like this soldering reason. Upper the which section are going little hot, the section this phone when I connect power supply machine 2.5 volt, this area power section going little bit short. For that I will put it the reason. If you following well, you can identify same if you have any phone shorted and you could not find easy where the IC component showing short. This technique is really helpful. I fixed many phone about if shorted. Okay, now I connect power supply machine 2.5 volt. After connect plug it power supply, we can identify easy which component are going short. Look, yes, one capacitor is heating and looking like a water. I hope you looking this area. Yes, this technique is really helpful all technician for repair phone if any board going short. This method is really helpful for fixing shorted phone motherboard. Okay, I hope if you it's helpful, make subscribe my channel to get latest and always update hardware and software supporting. Okay, now I'll remove this component. After remove this capacitor component, I will check again by meters. Motherboard showing normal or still shorted. Okay, I remove it done. Now I check by meters again. Done. Showing normal mode. It was before battery positive showing short, now normal. I have now reading my board is running on.